Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Today, I am going to take a science class for class 5 student based on competency-based question and its answer from chapter 14. Dear students, this is so much important for you, and let's follow the class with your copy and copy the question. Let's start the question. Let's start the class, dear students. Our first competency based question is: science and technology has made our lives easier. Why do we have to learn science and technology? Explain. The answer of the question is: nowadays science and technology has become a non-separable part of our daily life. Human civilization is much more advanced than it was hundreds of years before. This is due to scientific achievements, science and technology. Technology has made our life much more easier and comfortable. Science and technology has been solving problems in every sector of life. It also plays a vital role in solving various problems related to population growth in many ways. Therefore, it is very important for us to learn science and technology so that we can apply them to solve various problems. Also, to advance the progress of science and technology, we have to learn about it. Learning science and technology will help us change our attitude and will make us capable of solving various problems such as population growth. Dear students, we have already discussed about this topic when we discussed the chapter. Now we will learn the question answer from here, and you can write by yourself also, but it is better to follow the class. Now we will read the next question. Our next question is: using fertilizer and pesticide in agriculture can affect on environment. Why do people use chemical fertilizers and pesticides in agriculture? Explain. In chapter 9 and in chapter 14, we have discussed about the using of chemical fertilizer and pesticides in agriculture. Now we will discuss the answer of the question. Come to our question. With the advance of science and technology, the agricultural sector has also developed a lot. Due to invention of various machines, hybrid plants, chemical fertilizers, pesticides, agricultural industry is making a lot of progress. In past, farmers used to use organic fertilizer. Now they can use chemical fertilizer. Chemical fertilizers are much more effective than organic fertilizers, and by using it, farmers can grow plant well. It also helps to produce more crops in short time. Modern pesticides are also very effective. Using pesticides, crops can be kept free of pests. Because of these facilities, farmers nowadays are using chemical fertilizers and pesticides. But excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides can cause soil pollution and water pollution. Dear students, now our agriculture advanced a lot because of science and technology. We use chemical fertilizer, pesticide, insecticide in our agricultural sector, and we can produce more crop in short period of time. And we have learned this in the previous chapter also. And we also learn here why the farmers use the chemical fertilizer and pesticides in their agricultural sector. Now we will read the question number 3. The question is, the forest besides Tania's house destroyed. It has become an open field now. What are the effects of clearing forests on environment? Explain. The answer of the question is, population growth has several impacts on the environment. Among them, deforestation is the most serious one. People are clearing forests to cultivate more crops or farm more livestock. They use more land for shelters, roads and industries. People are also cutting down trees to meet the growing needs of furniture, paper, construction material, etc. This deforestation has severe effect on environment. As people are cutting down trees, they are actually destroying habitat of forest animals. It is also disturbing the ecosystem of the forest, and it is also responsible of extinction of animals. Deforestation also causes soil erosion and landslides. A forest like Sundarbans of our country protect us from natural disasters such as cyclones. Also, cutting down trees will aid to global warming, which is a big concern for all. Dear students, forest and tree is so much important for our natural environment, and for us also. We get our oxygen and we get our foods from the trees, so that we have to control the deforestation, and you have to plant more tree for protect our environment. Now we will discuss the last question for today's class. Population growth causes many diseases. Why does population growth make people get diseases easily? Now we will discuss about the answer of the question. Population growth has many harmful effects on a country. One of its harmful effects is spread of disease, which is usually spread by human contact, by air or water. If a country has low population density, then disease cannot spread fast. But in a country with high population density, people live close to each other and human interaction is more frequent. So, germs of disease spread very fast. Sometimes diseases also become epidemic. High population also means less chance of getting medical services. So, as the diseases are not cured quickly, it spreads. Therefore, diseases become more severe in a country with dense population. Dear students, here is your homework. This is your homework number 11 for annual term, and you have to do the homework CBQ answer of 1 and 2. Dear students, that means this question answer and this question answer is your SW. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. This question answer is so much important for you. You will learn the question answer properly and do the homework, because you will get your CT diary and SBA mark on the basis of your homework performance. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board, and do all the exercises, all the tasks as per your online classes. And if you feel any problem, you can contact any of your teacher. Obey your parents. Keep practicing at home. Stay safe. Stay home. Allah Hafiz.